United Nations Special Rapporteur Agnes Callamard and two other experts slam moves to shut down Rappler after the Securities and Exchange Commission revoked the license of the social news network. The UN experts describe Rappler as an innovative and independent source of news and analysis in the Philippines, which has provided critical coverage of President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs. The UN experts in a statement say, quote, "As a matter of human rights law, there is no basis to block it from operating. Rappler and other independent outlets need particular protection because of the essential role they play in ensuring robust public debate." The following UN experts issued this statement. David Kaye, Special Rapporteur on the Promotion and Protection of the Right to Freedom of Opinion and Expression; Callamard, Special Rapporteur on Extrajudicial, Summary or Arbitrary Executions; and Michael Forst, Special Rapporteur on the Situation of Human Rights Defenders. Callamard is the UN rapporteur who angered Duterte for supposedly meddling in his war on drugs. The three add, quote, "We urge the government to return to its path of protection and promotion of independent media, especially those covering issues in the public interest." President Rodrigo Duterte names Commissioner Prospero de Vera III as officer in charge of the Commission on Higher Education. De Vera's appointment comes 10 days after Patricia Licuanan resigned as CHED chairperson. He had been joining Malacanang press conferences for CHED-related announcements because Duterte barred Licuanan to attend cabinet meetings in December 2016. Prior to his CHED appointment, De Vera was the Vice President for Public Affairs of the University of the Philippines. He was also an advisor of Senator Grace Poe during the 2016 presidential elections. Licuanan said she resigned after Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea warned her of the worst to come if she did not leave her post, following weeks of corruption allegations thrown at her by two administration-allied lawmakers. Duterte also appoints Jing Paras, the man behind many of the complaints filed against top government officials during the current administration, as Labor Undersecretary. Paras, a lawyer and member of the Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, helped put together the botched impeachment complaint against former Commission on Elections Chief Andres Bautista, and filed a complaint against overall Deputy Ombudsman Arthur Garandang for his supposedly unlawful disclosure of the Duterte family's bank transactions. Paras was also the textmate of Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre during a Senate hearing. Their messages, captured by a photographer, showed Aguirre asking Paras to expedite a case against Senator Risa Hontiveros. Hontiveros has been very vocal against Duterte's bloody war on drugs. United States President Donald Trump on Thursday unveils a sweeping new immigration plan to Congress that offers 1.8 million young unauthorized immigrants, known as Dreamers, a path to citizenship in 10 to 12 years. Trump's comprehensive plan, which will be formally presented next week, includes eliminating the popular Green Card Lottery program and severely restricting family immigration. The plan will also require Congress to budget $25 billion for a trust fund for constructing a wall on the U.S.-Mexico border. Building a wall along the U.S.-Mexico border was one of Trump's major campaign promises. The White House's offer of a path to citizenship for the Dreamers is much wider than expected. Earlier, the plan only intended to grant citizenship to the 690,000 young immigrants, but in exchange, Trump is asking Congress to make future legal immigration more difficult.